Welcome to day 4 of our Python programming, and in day 4 we are going to learn logical operators. And we know in logical operators we use to combine a conditional statement. That is, we use logical operators in order to evaluate a given expression. If the condition satisfied, it's going to return a Boolean value, which is true or false. And we already know in our day 3 we have learned how to use comparative operators, where we use equality sign, not equality sign, not less than sign, greater than sign, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to. So here, as I mentioned earlier, in logical operators we have 3 basic operators, which is AND, OR, and NOT. And this thing we know, they are in form of logic gates, but we know at the beginning of this Python programming class, we said Python programming is a more of like English statement. Hence, we are going to be using a normal AND of AND, not ampersand as we use in C++, C, and Java. And also for O, we are just going to use OR. For the what not, we are going to use NOT. So let's not waste our time. Let's just dive into what the practical fully. So we are going to create, we know in dealing or in conditional statement, even though I did not discuss conditional statement in Python, we are going to do that later in these classes. So here, I'm just going to recap our logic conditional statement as we discussed in Java programming. We know a given statement is usually enclosed within a given parentheses, or we say it open and close bracket. And in doing that, we are going to have a certain variable so that we can see how these operators work. One, we have A. In A, we are going to assign a value of certainly we are going to write 3, and we have B, we are going to write 5, and then in number variable 3 we are going to have C, which is going to be 10. So here we are going to have a printing statement, that is to exhibit our logical operators. We have print, open and close bracket. We are just going to perform a single logical operations, which in form of what and which is in form of just greater than sign. If we have A greater than B, so this is just like if you are trying to pass a statement to check whether A is greater than B or A is not greater than B. And we know that from the definition of a logical operation